Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Dodge Journey engine light. First, ensure your vehicle is safely parked and turned off. You can try a basic reset by disconnecting the negative battery terminal for about 15 minutes. This often clears minor issues, but remember to retighten the terminal securely afterward. Always prioritize safety when working with your car's electrical system. For a more precise approach, an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner is invaluable. Locate the diagnostic port, usually under the dashboard on the driver's side. Plug in the scanner and turn your ignition to the on position without starting the engine. Read any stored trouble codes first to understand the issue. Then, use the scanner's menu to select the Clear Codes option, which should turn off the engine light. Sometimes, the engine light might reappear shortly after a reset. This often indicates an underlying problem that needs attention. A common culprit is a loose or faulty gas cap, so always check that first. Other issues could include a failing oxygen sensor, worn spark plugs, or even a catalytic converter problem. Addressing the root cause is crucial to prevent the light from returning. If your engine light keeps coming back, or if it starts flashing, it's a strong signal to seek professional help immediately. A flashing light often means a severe issue, like an engine misfire, that could cause significant damage if ignored. Don't hesitate to consult a qualified mechanic for a thorough diagnosis and repair. Also, be sure to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.